Eat vegan kimbap, top 5 get slim like Lumi. Konjac rice, calories down, down, down. Fullness feeling up, up, up. Why is a vegan kimbap so low in calories?
Starch 0, Konjac 99% with wet type Konjac rice. Calories go down one more when cooking rice with black tea and coconut oil.
The starch turns into resistance starch. Eat vegan kimbap slim like Lumi. Eat vegan kimbap slim like Lumi. Eat vegan kimbap slim like Lumi. Oh, oh, oh.
Shall we start vegan kimbap top 5? Number 5 is Hijiki Tofu Vegan Kimbap. Soft tofu and crunchy Korean Hijiki mat so well. Number 4 is spicy pepper Vegan Kimbap not capsaicin. It's the sharp spicy taste of real hot pepper. Number 3 is red bibimbap Vegan Kimbap. Rice mixed with gochujang and various veggies spicy mixed together.
Number 2 is burdock fried tofu vegan kimbap. Inside fried tofu, multigrain and konjac rice with savory simmered burdock in harmony. Yo, the long-awaited number 1, check it out.